Welcome to part 18 of Sudeki. Anyway, our journey to the Echlorian stronghold continues as we leave Crystal Reef again after we finished looting the warehouse and got a huge gold bar. Don't know if it was worth it, but you know, I don't care.
Get back, or I'll toast your soul.
But yeah, like I said, they basically, Alexei, Gazelle, and Nico just function exactly the same. But anyway, let's continue forward.
Come on, people, pick up the pace. You will burn in the inferno.
Ow! And Tal leveled up. Oh yeah, I'm sorry to mention, if you're expecting Gazelle, Alexei, and Nico to level up, don't. Anyway, let's make Tal a bit stronger. I don't understand why the guitar is making fart sound. Well, noises that sound suspiciously like fart sounds. Anyway, well now we can go up here. Which is
More rewards for our efforts.
well, that was a colossal waste of time. I mean, yeah, we got an ore, but I'm drowning in orbs at this point. Oh yeah, I should probably address that. If you're wondering why I'm hoarding all the orbs, haven't just been using them, that will come into play in the end game. Which, if memory serves me correctly, we are nearing. Yeah, we're almost done the game.
Carry on.
From the depth of the void comes the pain of the fallen.
Oh no, and then they do level up. Okay, because oh yeah, because it wouldn't make sense if Buki and Ailish would fall behind on levels because you're controlling a different character. But we're gonna increase Nico's health. We're gonna increase Gazelle's skill points. And Alexine, I think we will, we'll increase her skill.
Ouch!
I believe, yep, this is the way we need to go to the Eclorian stronghold. So yeah, oh yeah, so apparently all four shrines are conveniently close to each other, so yeah. But I'm glad I did it back earlier and completed the totem quests earlier in the game, because otherwise I'd be using the weapons for like grinding, and that would be level grinding, and that would have been it. And I don't like using the most powerful the game's most powerful weapons as means to grind levels quicker. I think it does the weapon a huge disservice.
The earth, and you shall feel my rage.
So time to keep going, keep pressing forward. Good, good. I want to see what's up here. Excellent. A save space, a save spot, just in case. So anyway, we're going to continue pressing forward and open this chest.
Here's oil for the victors.
Okay, and there's more? Probably pick the guy who's got the more health right now. Okay, so this clearly somewhere it was not supposed to be. Okay, so that was literally just you know, that probably would have been a lot harder if I wasn't acquired combat fortify scroll. Okay, hang on, what does that do?
In the bag.
Mammoth's Fang. Okay, well, what does that look like? So it's somehow a weaker weapon than the Siren Song. Same effect, it's just 5% weaker, but it has a 5% increased crit rate. So, but you know what? Maybe on the way back, I might use it, but I think I'll stick with what I've got. Okay, I just fought a bunch of skeletons, killed a thing that made baby noises, and then they died. Okay. Okay, well, I'm not going to question that in any way, shape, or form, and I'm just gonna continue on. But anyway, let's see what's over here, over this way. Or does it just lead to the same place? There's boxes to break. It just leads to a treasure chest. And a rabbit lady.
Welcome, friends. It is good to see some friendly faces out here. I am Shera of the Bareki tribe. I have been studying the various types of monsters that live here in the desert. Well, I know the lost creatures do not come from this world. They are nomads that slipped into Ecloria as the light faded and the void edged ever closer. Beware the weird warlord. They are very strong creatures and can regenerate damage during...
So basically you are...
Good luck on...
So basically you are just a person who tells me about the monsters I can... About monsters I can fight here. So as I've already figured out, the big guys, the two-headed big guys with the maces can heal them, get a passive health regen while they're fighting. There are skeleton dudes that you need to kill a immobile baby noise thing in order to kill the skeletons, and the Corian troops just teleport in and just murder just need to murder the shit out of them. Anyway, what's up here? I want to see what's up here. I'm curious as to what is up here. Spooky mouth thing.
Hear me now, daughter of Sudeki. I, Olivertest, whisper to you from within your own soul. It is written that my line will be reunited to combat the forces of Haigu. Your judgment must be tested. If you wish to take the challenge, despite the dangers it will entail, then step forward. There are many apparitions around you. Step forward to choose one. If you choose wisely, then you will be rewarded. If you choose poorly, an ill wind will blow. I am your guide, but I must ask you, if you are to fulfill your destiny, in whom should you put your faith? Lucifer, Yemi, or your shadow? You have chosen wisely. You are one of 4 chosen champions, but Tetsu will call upon only one to face Haigu.
Stop!
Tell me, who is the descendant of Kariston?
Oh, you didn't. Nobody said this would be a pop quiz. Tao.
You have chosen wisely.
Yeah, because you've been.
Is there one here who is not worthy of the trust Tetsu has shown in them? Sometimes clear answer. Those that would seem the least trustworthy are merely lost in the dark. Trust your
Get
companions.
back, or I'll toast your soul.
And you know what? I'll do it. I'm gonna do it again.
Get back, or I'll toast your soul.
I'm gonna do it again.
Fiends, leave this world.
Believe in your shadow. She is part of you.
Well, that was well worth the effort.
Okay, so that was a fascinating little detour. But I think we really should get back onto plot.
Well, I have to admit, Tal, you can handle a sword. In the elite guard, we learned to love the art of swordsmanship.
You still have a way to go to catch up with Kazel.
Anyway, enough. So, hopefully, no more sidetracks.
I am putting a lot of trust in you, Haskillian. I feel the same way about you, Eclorian.
And now it's snowing. And we're here. The Aclorian Stronghold. Honestly, that took way quick. That was way quicker than I thought it was gonna be. But anyway, time for the toughest dungeon you will ever face in this game. Okay, that is very, very loud. That is very loud. Okay, I have to finish this fight. That is very loud. I think that's supposed to be mutant sound, but that is very, very loud. Okay, we're done. Yeah, Wait. Oh, God damn, that is loud. That is. Oh no, I was supposed to look at him. That is loud. That is very loud. No, I'll turn the sound effects back up once the noise is gone. Because now we need a Lexine to dispel the second one, because there is an invisible one. Nico to come this way, climb up a small shrub wall. Like that is, how is that still so loud? I get what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be like strong wind noise. That is so very, very, very loud. I need to get the switch up there, which means it's time for a block pushing puzzle. All that just to open. All that just to open the door. Okay, so again. Okay, that's still too damn loud. Okay, so why does the dialogue quieten with the sound effects? Now we can go in here. Okay, so now it's basically... Okay, so unfortunately for this part, because this scaling out because of the glitch wind sound, there's going to be no sound effects for this little section. So enjoy the music, I guess. So yeah, this is basically this section. It's basically keep them away from the bell. So if you see any making of... Oh, okay, so that guy just had super speed and just bolted straight for it. Okay. And now the music's gone. Oh, yeah, this bit can get a little annoying. This bit can get a little annoying because you literally have to keep them away from the bell, and if you so much as take your eyes off them, if you're not paying attention and one slips by you, this can go on forever. Okay, this is really getting on my nerves, starting to get annoying. So I'm just gonna use a group them all up, group them all up. And we're just gonna fucking spirit strike him. Okay, so it sounds like the sound effects of okay, so literally you're gonna have to put it up because I can't. Cyantine Eye. Hey, now we probably have enough to finish General Arlo's quest. Unfortunately, we can't do that right now because, well, I tried this earlier. If we try to go back to Hisquilia, we can't get you back into Illumina because, again, like I said, over and over, if there was anything you needed to do with Tau, Fuki, Ailish, or Elko, you had to do it after you got back from Shidani Mo. Time to start solving. Okay, we need a key, so we got. Yes, we're going to the opposite door.
Huh? Soldiers? You're not from this regiment. Come to put an end to all this, have you? Don't worry, I don't serve Garen. Caprine is still my liege.
We have come on orders of Caprine. Garen has committed treason against Cyantine and continues to mislead you and your comrades.
If only things were that simple. Out here in the hinterlands, madness is rife. Do you really believe these unorganized boys can ever make a dent on the armies of Hisquilia?
The forces you send fight with valor, but they seem to be in a state of berserk. There's no thought or plan to their attacks.
They're but children, raging at the dying of light. There will be no tears shed for Garen and his treachery against Cyantine once the light returns. You see, when the light disappeared, it took sense and empathy with it. This is why Garen disobeyed Caprine and attacked Hisquilia. Please, do what you must, but don't blame the honest foot soldiers. They cannot see their actions for what they really are.
And I'm guessing this is supposed to be Arlo's
We are here
counterpart.
to reclaim the vessel of true sight. We have no wish to fight.
If Garen is allowed to continue as he has been, then more young men will die.
Die!
Garen stays locked away in the north courtyard. A heavy gate bars the way in. The gate's mechanism is protected by magic, and the door itself is held shut by huge counterbalance weights. If you can hold the weights up, one of you should be able to reach Garen. Good luck on your mission, friend. Take this key. It will open the eastern door of the inner bailey.
I think we're gonna continue this first.
Attention! Stand up straight. No, you idiot! No, don't just stand there belting each other.
More Shreks to kill.
Together as a team. No, it's a team game. Okay, together, you and him. Okay, pick a partner. Go get them together. Team. No, wait! No, not me!
Oh, that guy's dead, and now we gotta kill. We have to murder more Shreks. Oh yeah, this one with the shield is actually smart. He's using a shield as a shield. It's not just there for decoration. Actually, I probably should. God, why is that so loud? Yeah, I think we will have to swap a few things around. But anyway, I think we'll call it a part there because we've gone way over time. So anyway, tune in next time where we hopefully wrap up the Echlorian Stronghold and get to the boss within relative time. Anyway, until then, have yourselves a fantastic morning, afternoon, evening, whenever the hell you're watching this, and take care.